So I'd actually just started bolting the tracks onto this truck to get ready for this year's winter recovery season when I got a phone call for a guy who was stuck up at Sparks Lake up in the Cascade Mountains while on vacation here from China. He'd actually gone up there and decided to stay in his rental van overnight so he could get a sunrise shot of the lake in the morning. But unfortunately, the snowstorm beat him to the sunrise, so that didn't work out so well. So this truck wasn't ready to go, so we took the Blazer instead. But because this guy was great attitude, super cool dude to go help out up there, this video here, you can actually watch it in English, or we've also dubbed it over in Chinese. So you can go to the settings of this video, wherever they are, and choose either English or Chinese, and enjoy. So as you can see, it is snowing. Oh, we are here. I thought he stuck maybe like down the boat ramp. He's just stuck in the snow right here in the middle. So let's go check it out.
Hi, KZ.
How's it going? Oh, gonna get the snow in. Here, I'll knock it down. Hi, how are you?
Oh my God, you're coming.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, this car?
Yeah.
So so you can use that car to take me out?
I hope so.
Oh, great.
So I'm gonna turn around, and then we'll probably hook up a rope.
Okay.
And then I'll tow you out of here.
Okay,
This is
I love it. I love this.
Oh yeah?
I love this.
Perfect.
Drive, follow you, right?
Yes.
I need to drive, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get out some gear here. Since this is a lightweight little vehicle, we're going to use a lightweight little rope just to make it as stretchy as possible and keep from putting a shock load on his vehicle. So, oh, I did bring gloves. Good, I thought I forgot. This is going to help. I know it's a mess back here. After the last job I did, we threw everything back here just to get out of there, and then I was going to clean it up later, and I didn't. Okay. All right, now we got to figure out what are we going to hook to on his vehicle. I got more gloves. Good. Do I have one more of these? Maybe not. Oh man. There's nothing. Can you turn the steering wheel all the way this way? Perfect. Okay, just hold it there. Okay. Oh, we got like nothing to hook to on this thing. Put that over here. Now can you turn them all the way the other way? Perfect. Okay. These under here. We're gonna hook these to the end of this with a soft shackle. Like this one. That will do. All right. Okay, what was your name?
Roy, call me Roy, thank you.
Rua?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna pull you.
Yes.
So you're gonna drive a little bit.
Okay.
No,
Not fast, right?
not fast.
Yeah.
I mean,
Because I know I will be floating on the snow, something like that, right?
yes, exactly. Yes, you'll be going across the top. So this, try to always keep tight.
Okay, keep it tight.
So
yes.
you help a little, but if this goes,
it's not tight, I have to brake a little bit, right?
probably just let off the throttle. If we go downhill and it comes loose, then brakes. Yes.
Okay.
But this is like a like rubber band.
I see.
So if this goes loose and you hit the brakes, and it goes tight,
I see.
it's not gonna hurt.
Okay.
So it's not gonna go like jerk, it's gonna be smooth.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Yeah, like
that's safe. That's safe.
Exactly, like one big rubber band.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pull and you just help a little bit.
Yeah, I should. I definitely should.
But yeah, if it goes slack, let off.
Okay.
Okay, and then just try to keep your tires same tracks as my tires.
Yes, but sometimes, I may be floating.
Yeah, the snow is gonna move around, but try to stay the same.
I will try my best.
Okay, perfect. That's all we can do.
And I'm sorry, I should discuss about how much I should pay for you before we get it,
So they told me you're here in America on vacation.
Yes.
And you're going back to China tomorrow.
Yes. So that's why I have to be back to the
airport.
I'm actually heading to San Francisco today.
Oh.
And I will take the flight tomorrow morning.
So you're flying out of San Francisco to?
Yeah, from San Francisco. I'll be back to because my international flight will be from San Francisco to Shanghai, China.
Okay. So you enjoyed your time here.
Definitely.
I wouldn't want to ruin it with a tow bill, so no charge.
Why? But all right. After that, maybe I can share some gifts or some thanks to maybe not money, something else. Okay.
No charge. Let's get you out of here first, okay?
All right.
All right. So you go ahead and hop in. You straighten out your wheels so you're straight, and then just follow me.
Okay.
So keep it low range, the L, traction control off, park brake. Okay. Now turn your wheel this way a little. Okay, that's straight.
Okay.
You ready? Okay. I like this guy. He's got great attitude. The snow fell down in your face. Okay, you can stay there. I'll get this off.
Thank you.
And then I'll have to pull you back. Okay. Let's see if this wrapped around a wheel or not. I hope not. Okay.
Get off to help you.
No, you can stay there. I gotta pull you backwards back onto the road.
Stay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna back up past you. He went full whiskey throttle. I think that snow chunk fell down in his face and he didn't want to get left behind, so he hammered on it. But should I do? Maybe try one of these. Oh man, I didn't want to stop to like slow him down because I didn't want him to run into the back of me. So kind of luckily he went off the side first before he hit me. Oh man, that is way in there. Oh, there's nothing to grab there either. I see my rope. Oh, there's that at least. Oh, come on. If you guys can't see what I'm doing, just know that neither can I. No, yeah, this way. Whew. I'm gonna winch him out so that I don't like spin myself into the ground or get stuck like I've done before. Here's the world's dumbest winch setup for a recovery guy. I guess it's not so bad for a rock crawler, but it sucks for having to use it all the time because you can't get to anything. Like, you should not have to open the hood to get to the winch. Okay. Okay.
Yes. I need to turn to this, right?
Put it
Backward.
in reverse, parking
Yeah.
brake, press the,
Oh, okay.
yep, and then no throttle, just let me pull you, you don't do anything.
Okay.
Definitely need these. Okay, put it park. Park and the brake. Let's see where my ropes are. You turn this way. Just want to make sure, where is the rope? Okay. Okay, reverse and turn your wheel this way. Perfect, right there. Parking brake. Perfect. Okay, little, turn your wheel a little more straight. Steering wheel that way a little bit. Right there. Okay. Nice. Okay. I think I'm going to do something a little different here. Okay, turn your wheel all the way this way. Perfect.
Wow, that's you're very professional for that.
Hey, we're not out yet. Don't get too excited.
Hey man, I'm thinking about this.
What's that?
So only you and I taking any money for this help, right?
Yep.
Let me at least pay for the gas when you're back to. You shouldn't pay for anything to help me, right?
I have a better idea.
Okay.
So, you know charity.
Yeah. Okay.
So, do you have any charities back home in China that you like?
Yes.
Whatever you think you want to pay me, donate it to a charity back home in China.
Charity? What do you mean charity?
Charity, like an organization that helps people.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you know, like
Okay, use your name, okay?
whatever you want to do. Yeah. So yeah, whatever you think you want to pay me,
You're a good guy.
whatever you think you want to pay me, you donate it to a charity back home to help people.
So what kind of charity in US that you would like to have?
So here we have a
Charity something like
here we have a really good one called the Giving Plate. They feed people who are poor and don't have it
Okay, I would like to do that.
and can't buy food.
Can
So-
I pay to them? You pay more?
Whichever you want to do.
People is working for that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you give me the web address of this organization or some information, so I will make sure I will do that for you.
Okay.
Like,
Deal. That can be
that's really a bad idea, you know.
that can be your payment to me.
Okay.
It's helping other
Okay, so
people.
thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna unhook this back and then I'm gonna get in front of you and then we'll go again.
Okay.
So I brought my snow pants and I didn't put them on because I was like, we're just gonna hook up a Yankum rope and drive right out of here. I should have known so much better than that. It's almost like first time I've done this in a while or something. At least it's with a super cool dude. Like, this guy got good attitude, friendly, happy. That makes it easy on my end, even when it's all going bad. Okay. Let's leave the winch hooked up. Just not take this all the way apart just yet. All right. Okay, I gotta drive around him without falling off the edge now. That'll be interesting. Ow. Stop. Stay over there. Okay. Whew. Oh, that was so close to going over. There's a drop off right there, and I was right on the edge of going over that. Okay. So I was totally on the fence about these shackles, but I figured I'd give them a try, and I'm liking them so far. I've only used them a few times though. Okay. Turn your wheel back this way.
Okay.
All right, hold there. I do want to get this one away from the tire a little bit. It's pretty close. All right, perfect. Okay, so now only a little bit of throttle. So put it back in low range. So yeah, the L. Perfect, break off. Okay, so only very little bit until we get into the middle.
Okay.
And then mostly just me pulling and no throttle from you.
Okay, okay.
Very easy. If I spin out and I can't make it and have to back up some and go, then a little bit of throttle to help.
Okay.
But if we're going good, just let me pull you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, up the hill, you give throttle. So as you can see, we're just, I'm winching from tree to tree while pulling him up slowly. Okay, so we're back out on the highway. This is a highway. This is Cascade Lakes Highway, and in another week, 2 weeks, something like that, I don't know, they're gonna shut the gates on each end of it, and then this like 30-mile stretch of highway becomes a snowmobile trail for the rest of the year. But this is a long uphill out of here to the top up at Mount Bachelor, and I don't think that van has any hope of making it up the hill, so I'm just gonna pull them all the way to the top. I did have to break down and put chains on. I get asked all the time in my videos why we don't just put tire chains on and then make all this easy. Well, tire chains are very condition specific. In some conditions, they help immensely, like in the conditions we're in right now where we've got very little powder on top of just a sheet of ice. So we're just on ice, there's nothing to bite into. Those chains bite into ice, off we go. Later in the year or into the spring, when we get that hard crust layer on top, the whole goal is not to break through that layer and into the mush below it. The goal is to stay on top. So tire chains will chew through that layer and sink you and get you stuck faster than anything. So it's all very condition specific. The conditions we're in right now, tire chains are the way to go. So we're pulling them to the top here, and we're just cruising along. We got another few miles of this and then we'll be at the top. See? Told you it's a snowmobile trail. Here goes one more. I'm just trying to hold my line and let them do their thing. And then up here we got a snowshoer hiking the highway. Winter recreation has begun. Oh, he's skiing, cross-country skiing. And so that's really, like I said, it's Cascade Lakes Highway in the wintertime. Snowmobiles, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, all that recreation is done up here. For this main section, usually the snowmobiles stay to one side, and then all the skiers and snowshoers stay together, and then everybody gets to enjoy it.
So the rest of the way should be safe for me, right?
Yeah, the road's going to be like this, snow and ice all the way down the hill to town.
Just drive slowly.
But it's like this. As long as you drive slow, you'll be okay. Yeah.
To be honest, I already post you to my social channel.
Oh,
Chinese social channel.
that's great.
Yes, I'm sure there will be more than enough vote on you, you know.
That's awesome.
So you have the YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
This guy told me that you have that.
Yeah.
So I'll be back on your channel to, you know. Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'll give you all the info for the giving plate, and then.
And your YouTube channel, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
and
a problem.
Have my family to watch our video from your, maybe later from your YouTube channel. Okay?
Well, you're gonna make me famous in China. Okay. That's something I didn't think about, is those things freezing together. So you're up here all night?
Yes. That was a bad decision. I just, you know, I'm a photography aholic, you know.
Yeah.
So I love the previous. I love the view here. I decided to wait for the sunrise. Although I know there's almost no hope for sunrise. I decided to stay there, you know. So.
Well, now you got to experience everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially with you, you know.
No, that was a good one.
Okay. There's nothing I can share with you?
No, you're good, man. All good. I'm happy to help.
I know. I pretty enjoy your happiness, you know.
Oh, I'm happy to help, and you've been in a great mood this whole time. Like, make it easy.
You know, make good money on what you would like to have for the governmental organization. Okay.
Absolutely, yeah. That's a great organization. They help people who can't afford food or have a hard time affording food, and especially children hunger. So families who have kids have a hard. They give a lot of food for the kids. That's their main focus. Very good organization.
Okay, we are good.
Perfect.
Thank you, man. You
No
have
problem.
a good day, and you have good business. I wish all the best to you. You know.
Thank you. You have a good trip back home.
Yes. And now I'll be heading to San Francisco to make sure I will catch up with the flights tomorrow morning.
How long is the flight?
It's about 30 hours.
30 hours?
Yeah, direct flight.
Oh, wow.
From San Francisco to Shanghai. I'm in Shanghai. So one day, if you decide to come to China,
Yeah.
you definitely let me know.
Yeah.
Maybe I will copy this to your email.
Yes.
So this is my personal email. You have both.
Okay.
The Gmail and my Chinese email. And we can keep in touch on this.
Absolutely.
You know. And one day if you decide to come to China, I will make sure to have a good journey. Arrange a good journey to you if you will make a stop in Shanghai. Okay?
So I have
And China now is open for international foreigners. There's no visa required.
Oh, really?
You can just take a air ticket and fly here.
One of my sponsors, because I have sponsors who sponsor my YouTube channel, is EcoFlow, and they're a company in China, in Shenzhen.
Oh, Shenzhen, yeah. My company also have business in Shenzhen, and I have some friends in Shenzhen.
Oh, yeah? So yeah, it's a company that sponsors my channel called EcoFlow. And they sponsored me for a long time. And last summer, they were talking about flying me out to China to tour their factory.
Why not?
I forget what happened, but for some reason, it didn't happen, but that would have been really cool.
Yeah, I think that maybe one day you will be there. So
yeah.
Even you will travel to Shenzhen, we can also make it happen together.
What,
I can fly to Shenzhen. It is very easy for me. And I wish I can spend more time with you sometime later. So
that would be great.
Not just discuss.
Yeah, not like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that dude. He's got the right attitude. Spent the night in the woods, frozen in the snow. Didn't even get the sunrise picture over the frozen lake he was hoping to get. Stuck, chug every which way through the snow, and just in a great mood the whole time. That makes my job so much freaking easier, is when someone's in a good mood like that. So that was good. That was a very good, where are you? That was a very good first recovery of the year. That's just like starting off on the right foot, So that makes me happy. I'm gonna get these chains off, and I'm gonna head home, thaw out a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you're as excited for the upcoming recovery season as I am. We'll see you next time.